Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I will teach you how to see if you have copyright videos on your YouTube channel and on how to fix them. So for those who are new here, please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Okay, without further ado, okay, first you have to open your YouTube account, of course. Okay, let us search youtube.com. Okay, and once your account is already open, go to your YouTube icon, this one, or your profile picture in your Google account. Click and go to YouTube Studio. Just click the YouTube Studio, then let us wait. Okay, we are here in we have here channel dashboard. Okay, you will go to your videos. Okay, just click videos. Okay, so we can see here are my videos. Okay, this is my recent videos. I have here a copyright claim, 2 of them. So I just click the copyright and see details. So we can see here that it says, well, this is my video, small YouTube support, how to check spam messages in YouTube. Okay, this is my video title, description, copyright summary, and status. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike, so I'm not in copyright strike. I'm not affected. My channel is not affected. Okay, visibility is public, but yet I'm not eligible in monetization, so I can't monetize if ever I can pass the requirements of YouTube. So let us see the videos here. Okay, this is the video which has a copyright. Here it's the music Blizzell. Okay, the video cannot be monetized. So let us click the select action. Then let us trim out segment. And in here below in our video, this is our video. Let us play first. Okay, this highlight are the one who content a copyright claim. So let us get this one. Remove the part of your video where copyrighted content has been claimed. And double check your video before continuing. The trim will remove things like info cards or breaks and end screens that exist within the trim area. So let us click continue and trim. Says there that this process might take a while. You may close these windows and check back later. We'll update in the viewing our monetization restriction after your changes have been processed. The video will remain in its current state until this process is complete. So we will wait for the process to complete. It says that we can now close this tabs. Let us close. Then we will wait if the copyright here is gone. What I did is to wait and I refresh, and now you can see here in my restriction it's already none, so these videos are not copyrighted already. Okay, that's all.